Good morning, 8th class students. Open your notes. Get ready for the class. See, in previous class, we discussed about sets. SETS, sets. Set is nothing but collection of well-defined objects. Example: set of flowers, set of planets, set of 8th class students, set of cricket players, set of kabaddi players, set of even numbers, odd numbers, set of prime numbers, set of composite numbers. Like that, we give number of examples. Defined. It is nothing but collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined. We can define all planets, the odd number, even number, prime number, everything we can define. But which are the objects not defined? The set of beautiful things you see. Beautiful things means it is not generalized about that they are very beautiful. It is related to you only. The same thing your others may not like, others may dislike. See, such things are not, but this food is very nice, very tasty. Others may not. Such things are not defined because it varies from person to person. But this moon is very nice. Means other persons may not like. About this, what we old people say, we like only old films. Because in that films there are no such some things. Nowadays all fightings, modernization. In olden days they are not. We old people may not like. So it changes from person to person. In the library there are some interesting books to you only, to you. But this book is very interesting. It has so many stories, interesting stories. But the same book may not like by others. That's why such things are not defined. Okay. And the objects of the set are called elements. Elements are written with the commas and enclosed with the curly bracket. And the next, a set is expressed in two methods. One is roster form, the other is self-header form. In roster form, we write the elements A, E, I, O, U, like this. This is a roster form of vowels of English alphabet. But whereas in self-header form, we write only its rule of the objects, rule of the roster form elements. What is the rule? In roster form, we write same thing A. X is such that X is a vowel. X is a vowel of English alphabet. English alphabets. English alphabets, like and equals the bracket. See, this is self-header form. This is roster form. Like that, we can express. And sets are symbolized by capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, like capital letters. After this, we learn types of sets. Types of sets. First one, empty set. Empty set symbol is this one. Second one, singleton set. An empty set means a set which contains no elements in it. no elements vacuum. I already given you. Please go through that notes. Next, singleton set. A set which contains only one element. 2 is an even prime. Generally all primes are odd except 2 because it is an even number. And India has only one capital, Delhi. So 1. Whatever a set which contains only one element, that is called singleton set. Next, finite set. A set contains countable elements. We can start counting and ending also there in that set. It has a column number, 7 days of the week, 30 days of the month, 365 days of the year, like that. So we can count the elements in this finite set. Beginning is there, ending is also there. But whereas in finite set, it has beginning, but there is no ending. It has no cardinal number. We cannot count. Counting begins, but ending never ends. Still continues. Such what are the examples? Set of natural numbers. Starting is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting starts, but there is no ending. Such sets are called finite sets. And the subsets, universal sets, I explained in previous class. Now I want to explain this empty set also I explained, and this one cardinal number also. Now equivalent. Fifth problem in 6th. Fifth problem. I want to. It is equivalent set. Equivalent set determine fifth. Determine whether the two sets specified below are equivalent. Below are equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. What are the equivalent? Equal sets means if two sets have same elements, identical elements. I explained previously. Now it is equivalent set. Equivalent set means if two sets have same number of elements. Say this is set A, set B. It has elements 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has elements A, B, C, D. Their cardinal number of A 4. Their cardinal number of set B also 4. Same number of elements. If two sets have same number of elements, they are said to be equivalent. But what is equal sets? Equal sets means same elements. And I add E A R T H. That it has a set A suppose, and heart H E A R T. This is set B. See, these are equal sets. Equal sets. These sets A and B are different. This set A is earth. This set B is heart. But elements are same. E A R T H. See, two sets have same elements, then they are said to be equal sets. If two sets have same cardinal number, same number of elements, this is ABC, this is XYZ. ABC, this set A, and this set B, XYZ, XYZ, set B. These two sets have same number of elements. Here 3 elements, here also 3. So you name this as P, this as Q. Suppose N of P, set P is 3 elements, set Q are having 3 elements. These are equivalent, don't confuse. Equivalent sets, equal sets. We can easily identify equal means two sets are having same elements, same identical elements, same elements. These are equivalent. Such elements are, such sets are called equivalent, and these are equal. Now we have to finish this. ABCD set 5, fifth one. By seeing the sets, we can say, well, set A having 4 elements, set B also having 4 elements. So these are 4, these are 4. So it is yes, equivalent sets. Second one, rational numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Integers between 5 by 8 and 10. 5 by 8, between 5 and 8. There are so many. 5 by 8 means less than 1. So second one is not. Second one 6, 8. One here. Yes. So second one not. In first set there are 5 elements. By seeing you can count and say orally. Third one, months of the year 12, and it is a whole number less than 12. Less than 12 also starting with 0. Both are same yes. Third one is yes, because they are having same number of elements. And fourth, even integers between 1 and 9 count. 1 and 9 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 4. And between negative integers between -8 and 7. -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, and -2, -1, 0. Between -8 and -2 this one. Yes. See here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 even numbers, and these are more 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are not equal. So no. Next. And the next 7th one, 6th one. About equal sets. 6th, equal sets given. We know if two sets have same number of elements, we can say they are equal. Question number 6. State whether the following pairs of sets, pairs of sets are equal or not? Are equal or not? Just now I explained what are the equal. X is a letter of the word paper. Here paper given, and the other number of digits, set of the digits 596, 596, 7, 8 given like this. So there are different elements. So it is not equal set, not. Okay, not. Second one, X is a letter of the word pear, P-E-A-R. Second one, and the set of digits in the number 756, 8, 8, 9, 6. No, these are also not same. Set of digits in the number 596. Here, third. Third, X is such that X is less than or equal to 5, comma, X belongs to N, and set B, X is such that X is less than or equals to 5, where X belongs to W. See here, X is here X belongs to N, natural numbers. Here X belongs to whole numbers. I mean whole number starts from 0, but here whereas natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 dashes. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 dashes up to 5. 4, 5. There are also 4, 5. So they are not same. Not. But here given in the answer S. I explain later. Numbers are given here, letters are. Okay. Next, fourth. X is such that X is less than 1, where X belongs to W, and set B, set of cows having 5 legs. It is a set containing whole numbers, and this is the set containing cows that too having 5 legs. We can't find it. It is an empty set, so they are not same. Not. And question 7, From the following pairs of sets, identify disjoint and overlap. Disjointing overlap. If two sets have common elements, they are said to be overlap sets. If two sets have no common elements, they are called disjoint. Overlap sets having common elements. So these are overlap sets. Overlap sets. Set A, set B, having common elements. And this is, if they don't have common, they are disjoint sets. Set A, set B. And write in a rectangle. Disjoint. This is disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Suppose your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and numbers by x, y, z and w. Like this. There are no common elements. Your common elements are there. 3, 5, 7, like this. 1, 2, 4. Next 0, 6, 8, 9, 10. See, these are having common elements. Set A having elements 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 4. And set B also having 3, 5, 7, 0, 6, 8, 9, 10. If two sets have common elements, then they are said to be overlap sets. If two sets have no common elements, they are disjoint sets. This is the figure. Okay. Now from the seventh one, set of letters in the word MAD 3150. So see, set of letters, set A MAD, and set B old.
Sir,
Amma.
20 minutes completed.
Amma, 11. Today, this was given late. Today, madam didn't come, no? Actually, my class starts from 9:30. I started from 11. No? See, these are not same. MAD, OLD. The only, see, this is about overlap, no? See, like this you get. D only common. One letter D is common. Right there D and MA in this and OL in this. Set A, set B. So you can draw like this. So this is, one is yes because D is common. He is asking overlap sets. Set 2 digits 315, set A. Set A given 3150. Set B given 2468. So here they are not same. So no disjoint sets. No common number. No common number. If D there, we can write they have common overlap. And it is no common. 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 0, 8. No common elements. So no. Third one. X equal to 6p, third one. X equal to 6p, where p belongs to whole number, and 0 lies between an 8 pole. And second set, this is L, set M. This is M. Y is such that y equal to 8q, where q belongs to w, okay, and 0 lies between q lies between 6. Q lies between 0 and 6, 0 and 8. No, they are not common. I think see 0, 0 is there, and 6 ones are 6. Here 8 ones are 8. Common elements are there because there is a 6, 7, 2, no, 3, 4. Yes. Right, yes. Because there is common 0, 0. One common element is there. Fourth one, see, set of months having 30 days. Fourth, set A, set of months having 30 days, having 30 days, and set of months having 31 days. So there is no common months. Common months means all 30 days or all 31 days, but these are different. One set A is having the months having 30 days, and second set having 31 days, so they are not overlapped. Next about 8th one, subset. I explained in previous class. Subset. About subsets. 8. Tell whether set A is a subset of B. Subset of set B. I explained already previously. If a set A contains set B, set B is in B and A is in B. The elements of set A, the symbol subset, I explained previously. Please open note set C. The elements of set A are also in set B. Then we say it is a subset. The Nalgonda district is in our Telangana state. So Nalgonda district is subset of Telangana state, because the people of Nalgonda are also in people of Telangana state. So Nalgonda district is a subset of Telangana state. Like that you can understand easily. We are given 8 1 set 1. A whole numbers less than set A. Whole numbers less than 8. Set B. Whole numbers less than 10. Because the elements of set A are also in set B, so it is S. A is a subset of B. This is S. Number 1 is S. Next number 2. Set A prime numbers, set B odd numbers. Yes, there are the numbers of set A are also in set B, so it is S. because primes, no, primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. So the elements of set A are most except 2, all odd numbers are in B, but except 2 is not there, so we can say it is no, because 2 is not there. This 2 is not included in, so it is the second one, no. Second one, no. This is first one, second one, no. Because 2 is not there, 2 is not included. Third one, set of numbers divisible by 6. Set of numbers divisible by 6. And B, set of numbers divisible by 3. C, set of numbers divisible by 6. So we know that I will give examples. C 6 divisible, 12 divisible, 18 divisible, dash dash. And set of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, 18 dash. See, the elements of set A are also in set B. 6 is there, 12 is there, 18 is there. Of course, set B having more elements. Telangana state have all district people, but if people of Nalgonda is less than state. So here it is a subset, because the elements of set A are also in B, so it is subset. The set of letters word 4. The letters flat, F-L-A-T, F-L-A-T. The set of plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Oh. So the elements F is not there, L is there, L there, A there, T there. But the complete set, the complete elements of A are not in B, so this is not a subset. This is not. Right, it not a subset. Please follow like this. Again, you practice this exercise 6A, and tomorrow I will go to another exercise. Thank you.